Welcome back, friends, fans, and family. As promised, we'll get into a little bit of preparedness stuff. I want to show you something tonight. Takes a little bit of assembly, so we are outside of the regular area and gonna set up and show this little guy off. Let me get the camera set down. Well, we got a good view here. And this is the Emberlit. It is a wood stove. It packs flat. All right. Backpacking wood stove, 11.3 ounces. And let's jump into it. Comes in a fairly sturdy vinyl type pouch with Velcro. Instruction page. 1, 2, 3, 4 side walls, a bottom, 2 cross braces, and it just slots together, y'all. It is so quick and easy to put together. It's amazing. You can see the little ears on the sides. One side points down, one side they point up, and they just interconnect and slot together just like that. Move it back there where you can see it. You've got the ash pan bottom of the stove. It goes into these little tab slots down here at the bottom. So 3 of the sides are absolutely identical. So it does not matter how you put them together. The 4th side has the feeding door. That is the front. So you just put this little guy together just like this. And then, yeah, you want to leave it a little bit loose so that you've got the ability to finagle your fit around a little bit. Hopefully you can still see all that. Okay. Just like that. Down, 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 down. All right. Then you have your 2 cross braces, which are cut so that they form an X. And then they just drop into the corners. Let's see. We do one at a time. They'll just drop down into the corners, just like, there we go, just like that. Just like that. And there you have a sturdy little stove that you can then build a wood fire in. Oops, sorry, you got to see all my glorious belly there while I was reaching up into the cabinet. A nice sturdy little cook surface there to hold your cook pot. This one is a, which one is this? Oh, the Glacier. This one's the Glacier boiler, 1.1 liter. You can see it right there, highlighted in light reflections. Now this one is similar to the Stanley in its handle design and configuration with the little squeeze latches right there. But it's designed so that the lid, the handle on the lid actually, the handle on the pot is wow, And this is why Michael needs to learn to edit. The handle of the pot is designed to pass through the handle on the lid and then lay down and secure it in position and keep it from rattling around. The Stanley cook set doesn't do that nearly as well. One of my complaints about it. Now, let me show you how that works. That just folds out, boom. You can see it's graduated on the sides. The markings are reversed on the outside because you see them on the inside. You can read them correctly. Now, what does that you say? Oh, well, that's where I have my little gas cartridge for one of my backpack stoves. So here we have the 1.1 liter stove sitting perfectly on top of this little 1.1 liter pot, sitting perfectly on top of the backpacking stove. Also, unlike the Stanley and some of the other models, the Glacier does not have the drain holes on it. So you will have to figure out a different way to drain. And then you just put that on there, start your fire in there, get it going good, put that on there, keep it fed through the opening in the front, and you'll have marvelous little backpacking stove. Like I said, it folds flat, weighs less than a pound. They do make a titanium version that costs significantly more, but when every ounce counts, there you go. I'm going to call this the Adventurer stove, because this would definitely be something that you take with you when you don't necessarily know how long you're going to be out and about, and you plan on gathering fuel along the way for your cooking efforts. The gas canister and the stoves that utilize them, those are more for when you know exactly how long you're going to be out and about and you know when you're coming home, because you will run out of this. This guy, you're going to feed him anything you can find, from corn straw to twigs to pine straw to whatever you've got, and it's going to eat it, and it's going to burn it, and it's going to turn whatever you put in here into a cooked meal. They make one called the Fire Ant, which is a smaller version. Don't know that I want to go that small. I like this one here. You can also get a square or a rectangular grate that goes on top of it, for if you, for some reason, want a grate to go on top. I'll probably get one just so that, you know, Pokemon syndrome, have the complete set, gotta catch them all. But yeah, there you go. Nice little rig. The Adventurer stove should work just fine with pretty much any cookware you want to carry with you. I'm considering getting a little 8-inch cast iron skillet and testing this guy out just to see how that works out. So, but anyway, there you go, guys. Just wanted to show off this neat little guy here, new piece of kit. Looking forward to getting out and about and testing it out. But so there you go. Remember, guys, look out for yourselves, look out for each other, and as always, I'll see you on the other side.